motivation is encouraging people and encouraging you to do whatever craft it is that you like to do, whatever it is that you are driven to do, whatever you feel in your heart. Just get focused, get intimate with it, love it. Do whatever it is that you want to do and have fun with it.